welcome back to Rebel Classics. I didn't know what I was going to say after that.
It's Adrian and I'm Bob. And we're going to answer some more comments from our
DriveTribe post about the Camaro, which is over there. And maybe chime in about that.
in the next video.
Yeah.
That's just here to tease you.
Yeah. So,
Jerry for she, I guess, said, I've never known a 69 Camaro owner who regretted candy apple red. He did mention that there might be one or two, but they might be wrong. So we actually know an owner of the Camaro, and it looks sick, but like he lives in the same area as we do, so we
can't have a second one.
Yeah, we don't want to copy it. And
also red cars.
And that's a Chevy red behind us as well.
So we're just gonna go with something a bit different for this one.
Pretty much, that's it. The color choice we'll discuss in the overview video anyway. So
finally, you will reveal it to me.
Yeah.
Okay. Next up, we have Just the Drive. I like the name. Okay, so Restomod underneath, and the looks. How about leaving it as it is? Bangor look, of course, after professional protection and work. Cool. However,
the truck's there.
The truck. We'll put in some footage of that here, but there is another car like that in the Rebel Classics fleet, garage, whatever you want to call it. So we like the idea. There is already one car like that here. So
with the Camaro as well, someone already started doing the back end of the car, so we can't really do the patina. That train is gone, long gone. So it's going to be nice and pretty, shiny. So Alan said, apart from the safety, which is brakes and tractive electrical ignition improvements, why not go stock? No, because we want the suspension that actually handles in 21st century. We want, well, brakes as you've said, and the engine to be reliable and powerful. So injection and ignition.
Power.
I mean, all we do is pretty much just keeping the soul, the essence,
the spirit,
and just getting the modern touches so someone can just
we are making in. We're making the performance live up the looks.
Yeah, just
it looks very fast,
but it isn't. I mean,
it's
arguably it's
okay.
not. It's not at the moment it has no brakes, so it doesn't matter how fast it is.
Like a Golf GTI would smoke it
easily.
Not even this one; it's like a regular GTI.
Yeah. That's not a GTI. That's a Clipper.
Okay. Next one is from Harshabi. LS swap it and turn it into a street legal NASCAR.
So
I mean,
that is so
fits with the vision.
Yeah. So if the engine turns out to be gone, which I'm hoping will not happen, we're gonna LS swap it. I know it's terrible. We already said that though before. So if the engine is gone, and it's beyond saving. I mean it's never beyond saving, but it's like financially
uneconomical to repair.
Can't roll.
Yeah.
Anyways, if that's gonna happen, we're gonna do the LS swap because it makes sense. I am sorry, but it does make sense.
Yeah, and you get power, reliability, and power.
And
just power.
And it's easy.
Okay, Slugo S. Do you want to read him out?
So since we have not none yet to the following: carburetors, check; leaf springs, check. Well, we might save the engine, but we don't know yet, so that's 50-50. And 4/4 speed, we might keep the gearbox. I don't know. We'll see.
Vague steering racks or monikers that read Chevy Powers, seeing that GM ruined Holden, bloody bollocks. I think he might be from Australia.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Anyways, moving forward.
We agree with those.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. So, thank you for coming.
So, James Clark said, I think it should be dark blue with white stripes through the middle, and sort of gently-ish Restomod, which is, we already doing that. But the bolt-on wide body wheel arches are not going to happen. We've seen those executed on different cars. I mean, I'm talking about the Camaros.
I mean,
and it didn't. I didn't like the looks. So
I love that it's gentle Restomod.
And then wide, yes. But
no, wide body we like.
What's going to happen is those arches will be rolled out to accommodate new wheel and tire combo, and I genuinely think that's like the best solution because we're going to keep the stock body looks, but we're gonna have actual, like physically more space for the wheel and tires.
Yeah, and it'll look cool.
It'll look cool as well.
So next up, we have the Can Sedan, who says, I'd do it like the Aloha Bobby and Rolls Camaro, but with smaller flares and a mechanically injected big block. But then again, I enjoy cars that are not very enjoyable to drive, at least not when they are driven nicely. So I love the picture you posted with it, and the look of the cars. I agree with maybe slightly smaller fenders, because these are big. They're chunky boys.
We're not going to do much fabrication to the fenders. It's literally going to be rolling them out.
Mechanically injected big block. Well, as you said, very cool. Not
we
very
already
cool
answered.
to drive
We already
properly.
answered that question.
So probably not, because this is supposed to be a something you can comfortably daily drive.
I mean, big block would be really strippable, but it's just like financially it doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Well, next up we have Martin West, who says, "Respray in a modern Chevy color. I'm a sucker for Jetstream blue metallic," and he posted a photo of a Corvette, which is painted with what I assume Jetstream blue metallic. And I really like the color. I'm not sure if that's what you're going for with it, but
No. So I do like the color, but that's not the color that we're going for. I mean, again, it's the color we have decided, but it's not something that's written in stone, so it might change.
yeah. And then he also said,
Yeah, American Racing Torque Trust wheels, which are going in.
Yeah,
we already made that decision as well.
so nice. And I think with that,
Yeah, that will conclude.
we will conclude the Q&A. It wasn't really Q&A, it was just some suggestions that we answered to. But thank you for everyone who commented. We really appreciate the feedback. We appreciate talking and communicating with the community. So I think we will call it quits here and move on to actually filming a video telling you what we will do with the Camaro.
Yes.
Or something about this. I mean, I quite like that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drive that.
We're spoiled.
Decisions.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Right then.
So that's it.
Thanks for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, help us out a little bit of that, and we will see you in the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.